Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take a look at one of the most widely used and fundamental features in Excel, the filter tool. If you're dealing with large datasets and need a quick way to sort through the information, filtering is best tool. I'll walk you through how to use it, step by step, using a sample dataset. What is the filter tool in Excel? Filters allow you to view only the data that meets specific criteria, while temporarily hiding the rest. This is incredibly useful when working with large datasets where you need to find or isolate certain records without sorting or permanently altering your data. Let's understand through example. For this example, let's say we have a sales dataset for a retail business. We're going to use the filter tool to quickly find and display relevant information from this dataset. Now let's go through the steps to apply a filter to this dataset. Select your dataset you want to filter, which includes all your columns. Go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of your screen. In the Sort and Filter group, click on the Filter button. This will add small drop-down arrows to the top of each column, next to the column headers. Or you can use shortcut key by pressing Ctrl plus Shift and L at once. Now let's say you want to filter by the region column and only see sales records from the North region. Click the drop-down arrow next to the region column. Uncheck Select All and then check only North. Click OK, and now you'll only see rows where the region is North. It's that simple. The rest of the data is still there but hidden from view, so you can focus on just the North region. Filters aren't just for text, you can also apply filters for numbers or dates. Let's take a quick look at a couple of more advanced options. Suppose you want to filter out orders with sales less than $500. Click the filter drop-down in the sales column. Select Number Filters, then choose Greater Than. In the dialog box, type in 500 and click OK. Now you'll only see sales that are greater than $500. And let's say you only want to see transactions from after May 2024. Click the filter drop-down in the Date column, E1. Select Date Filters, then choose After. In the dialog box, select May 2024 and click OK. Now you'll only see orders placed after May. Filtering with numbers and dates makes it even easier to pinpoint the exact data you need. To clear a filter, just click the filter icon in the column and select Clear Filter from Column. You can also turn off all filters by going back to the Data tab and clicking the Filter button again. This will restore your full dataset and remove any filtering options. And that's how you can use Excel's filter tool to quickly narrow down large datasets and find exactly what you need. Whether you're filtering by text, numbers, or dates, this tool will save you loads of time when analyzing data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.